today we are going to do a instant snacks, which is nothing but our onion rings. For onion rings, these are the following items that is required. I have cut onions into different sizes. This is big size rings and this is small size rings. So for this, these are the items, these are the ingredients that is required, which will be always available in our Indian kitchen. So I have Kashmiri chili powder 2 tablespoons, pepper powder 2 tablespoons, and our all-purpose flour, which is 1 cup, which is this, and our corn flour, which is 1/4 of the cup, and the breadcrumbs, of course the salt and oil to have it deep fried. So let us see how do we do the cooking. So friends, let us start doing the onion rings, which is a crispy and instant snacks for everyone. So for that, take a bowl. I am adding our 1 cup of all-purpose flour into it. So along with this, I am adding the corn flour. So all full of 1 cup. This is 1/4 of the cup, and the required amount of pepper. Then I am adding the Kashmiri chili powder just for the color, because we have already added the pepper. Then the required amount of salt. Mix everything well and mix it in water. It should be little thick consistency. It should not be very thin. It should be little thick. So friends, we have mixed all the ingredients together. Now make it a thick batter by adding little by little water gradually. See friends, so mix all the ingredients well with a hand blender or whichever is convenient to you. So in this mixture, we need to add all our ring onions one by one. Friends, I am adding one by one the onion rings into it. One by one. In the other plate, I am adding the breadcrumbs. You can add breadcrumbs, or sometimes even you can add the corn flakes if it's available at home. So just dip it in the dough and add enough breadcrumbs into it. And keep it aside. Then let us fry it deep. So I'll show you one more. So just take the onion rings from the batter, put it in the breadcrumbs. Keep it aside. That's all. So let us do one by one. Ready. See friends, so the non-stick pan is heated with the required amount of oil. I am adding one by one, and we need to deep fry it. See friends, so our crispy onion rings is ready. So you all can please try this instant and crispy snacks for your coffee and tea time. So try this recipe, watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.